alcoholism and smoking. Mostly alcoholism and smoking, the students learn via negative peer pressure. The bad friends only reason of alcoholism and smoking. So in school or college time only, number of individuals learn the alcoholism smoking due to the negative peer pressure. The bad friends used to force, because of friends, the individual practice, it became habit and it became a addiction also. So two things happening. So due to negative peer pressure only, alcoholism, smoking, drug abuse, number of other things also people learn in our society. Okay. So first one, alcoholism. So before alcoholism, we want to know about the meaning of alcohol. Alcohol is the liquid form. After consuming the liquid, any changes happen in your body, your nervous system getting some change, then the liquid is alcohol. Okay. We have different types of alcohol like beer, brandy, whiskey, vodka, rum, scotch. Like this, we have different types of alcohol is there. Okay, alcohol is the liquid form. After consuming the liquid, any things happen in your body, that liquid we can consider as the alcohol. Okay. Next one, alcoholic. Alcoholic means the person who consumes the alcohol, then the person we can call as alcoholic. Next one, alcoholism. Alcoholism means a person who addicted to alcohol, that illness, that disease we can call it as alcoholism. Alcoholism is a disease, it's like illness, because the person addicted daily, the person want to consume, like uncontrolled consumption of alcohol or compulsive consumption of alcohol. That stage when the individual is there, the alcoholic person is there, that stage we consider as the alcoholism. Okay. So when the person is alcoholism stage, then easily he became addiction to the drugs also, because in alcoholism stage he may drink more alcohol, he not get the drunken feeling, because automatically the person may think about drugs, then only he may get the feeling of drunken. So alcoholic addicted people easily may turn into the drug side also. So drugs abuse also easily the individual learn after the addiction to alcohol. Okay. Alcoholism, initially alcoholism is not a serious one, because only rich people or only the king or only the government officers only used to drink the alcohol. So that time alcohol is only the personal problem or moral problem. But when number of people used to drink, when it available to all people, when people used to prepare by themselves, then only it became the issue, because number of people used to consume means number of activities, they're not conscious about the self, they are doing number of violence activities also. It created the issue from our society. So the government banned the alcohol, the government prohibit the alcohol activities. So then only it became a social issues. Okay. And most of the alcohol, youth start the alcohol things from the social drinking only, like due to the birthday party, some celebration, some events, some success party, some social drinking only. The youth started the alcohol by the negative peer pressure, because the bad friends, they not tell you the good things, always they force the friends to learn some bad habits also. So negative friends used to force the individual to drink by in social activity. By that way they addicted to the alcohol. Okay, so also things happen just for introduction of alcohol. Next one, behavior of alcoholism, or behavior of the person who addicted to alcohol. What are the things we can get from the individual who addicted to alcohol? First one, frequently drinking. Okay, so he want to drink again, like this mindset. That is a behavior of alcoholism, like morning, early morning, or after breakfast, or afternoon time, or evening time, night time. Every time you want to drink. That type of mindset is there. That is also behavior of alcoholism. And occasional or frequent blackouts also. He not able to remember what he said or what happened or what type of people he met. Everything he forget. Yeah, he can't able to remember anything. when some of your friends, some of the person not able to remember anything after the alcohol consumption means, then he is the stage of alcoholism. He is addicted to the alcohol. So occasional frequent blackouts, example also, or behavior also, name of alcoholism. And requiring more alcohol, then only you may get the drunken feeling. While like in the initial level, you learn the alcohol, you get the drunken feeling within the small portion also, like within small level, you get the drunken feeling. But after some times, he required more alcohol, then only he get the drunken feeling, means that also behavior of alcoholism or the stage of addiction to alcohol. And drinking alone, drinking secret also. Initially, the individual learn alcohol with a group of friends. Whenever you go with a party, whenever you go with some friends, that place only he learn that he may consume the alcohol. But slowly, the individual taking alcohol alone, a secret means it also behavior of alcoholism or addiction to alcohol. And feeling of urge, the urge of drink. Okay, the kind of always the mind thought of alcohol only. Weekend means the mind thought of alcohol. Any birthday means the mind thought of alcohol. Anything happen means always the feeling is there. Always the mindset is there about the alcohol only. Like this feeling when the individual having, it also behavior of alcoholism or addiction to alcohol. And hiding alcohol in your home, in your workplace, in your school, in your college, like this, always keep the alcohol next to you or near to you. That way, when you keep the alcohol near to you, it also behavior of alcoholism. And stopping or losing the interest on hobbies also, like in school work, in school time, in college time, the individual learn number of things. Individual may spend the time with a number of hobbies, but slowly individual not do any hobby activity, he not interested do anything, means it also behavior of alcoholism, or we can able to identify the person is addicted to the alcohol. Okay. And missing work and missing other activities also due to the drinking, like some promise, some commitment, some activities, the work, you not complete the work properly, it also behavior of alcoholism. And neglecting responsibilities due to the drinking, a number of times you get scolding, you not do the work properly, like not submitting assignments or not attend the classes or not submit the project, something. Okay, something he not complete the work. Even the company also some task, some project you not complete properly, means this is also some of the symptoms we identify the person is addicted to alcohol, or these are the behavior of alcoholism. Okay, so for these people we should take care, we should give the proper counseling, then only you can able to come out from the addiction or the behavior of alcoholism. Okay, next one, causes. So reason of alcoholism, so you know very well, most of the individual learn alcohol by negative peer pressure only. You can ask anybody, any of your friends, any of your relatives drinking alcohol, you can ask them, they used to tell my friends only taught me, my friends only forced me to drink, my friends only forced me to smoke, so I learned from my friend. Like this, number of individuals used to tell that because of friends only I learned, by force of my friends only I'm doing, like these things they used to tell. Okay, so number of people learn alcohol because of peer pressure or peer drinking, like group of friends. When you go with a group of friends, your other friends are drinking, means automatically you also get the mind, or they used to force you to drink. Okay, so the peer pressure, mostly reason of alcoholism, mostly negative peer pressure reason of alcoholism. Next one, social drinking also, like birthday party, event. You know, nowadays it's like culture, like a party culture. Every number of party they used to keep the alcohol also. So like any celebration, any event, any party, means alcohol is there. So because of the culture, manners, people used to take the alcohol. So because of the social drinking, it became addiction to the alcohol. So also causes of alcoholism. And alcoholic parents also, like in family, when parents are taking alcohol in front of the child, then child also learn the alcohol easily from the parents. Or for example, when the parents are taking alcohol, when the relatives are taking alcohol, when neighbors are taking alcohol in front of the child, when what happen, automatically child also feel that alcohol is not a bad one, alcohol is a good one, because number of people are taking, my parents are taking, my relatives are taking, why I not? That mindset happened to the child. So he not fear to drink the alcohol. So alcoholic parents also directly influence the child to learn the alcoholism. So alcoholism, reason of alcoholic parents also. Next one, lack of family support. Like the family has to take care of the child properly. When the child feel unknown, when the child feel lonely, like when the child not get proper care from the parents, when the child not get proper love, affection from the parents, then what the child will do? Child learn some bad habits. Child be with some bad friends for the fun, for the enjoyment. So child may learn some bad things. Child may learn some alcoholism, smoking things also. Okay. So if you are the good parents or good family support when the child get, then automatically we can able to control. But when the family not give proper care, proper support, automatically the child may learn some bad habits. The smoking or alcoholism things also happen. So lack of family support also reason of alcoholism. And the low self-esteem, like so low self-confidence, like an inferiority complex or a lack of self-esteem also reason of alcoholism, because the individual feel that I don't have the knowledge, I don't have the skill, I don't have the capacity, I don't have the knowledge or talent to do like this. They have the always they have some negativity, that always they have the low self-esteem. So that type of individuals easily addicted, because to come out from that, to face the failure, they may take the alcohol. That also reason. And the childhood sexual abuse or physical abuse or any abuse things happen to the child means, so if the child is victim of anything means, then the child want to come out from the issue, so the child may addict, or the individual may addict to the alcohol. Like anything, any abuse things happen means the stress, depression also happen to the child. So you're not able to handle the victim feeling or abuse things easily. Any youth or child also may learn alcohol because of some abuse things, as well as the stress, like business stress or family stress, academic stress, number of stress we are facing. So to forget the stress, to sleep, to come out from the stress, to feel relaxed, individual may take alcohol. And media and advertisement also, like you know very well, during IPL and other time also, number of celebrities advertise about the brand of alcohol, like, but they're telling about the soda only, but the brand name they tell, and they tell about the soda, like Kingfisher soda, McDonald's soda, Signature soda, like they will tell. But you know very well, all brand related to the alcohol only, but they tell only the soda, but the brand reach the people, the individual learn the brand alcohol things via media also. So because of advertisements, because of media also, the individual may learn the alcohol things. And availability, like when it available in your local area, in your nearby area means, it also reason people take the alcohol. For example, when you go some tour, some picnic, like if you go Pondicherry or Goa, you can get the alcohol in a less price. And some place, some tourist spot, some government running their own shop also, so you can buy nearby your tourist area also. And some government banned the alcohol things like this. Depending upon the availability, the things available to the individual, so he may consume the alcohol. It also reason of alcoholism from a society. Okay, like this we have number of reasons, but mostly negative peer pressure, social drinking, bad friends influence play the major role, because number of young youth, a number of individuals learn the alcoholism during the childhood time or the school time only with the negative peer pressure. Okay, so if you handle the negative peer pressures easily in your school time, in your college time, then we can able to come out from the alcoholism things from our life. Okay. Next one, the effects of alcohol.
So why is alcohol bad for the body? To answer this question, we're going to take a little trip of what happens to alcohol in the body. Once it's consumed, alcohol goes down the normal food path of digestion, from the mouth, the esophagus, and into the stomach. Here, about 20% of alcohol is absorbed through the stomach lining into the bloodstream, which means it's getting into the bloodstream very quickly. From the stomach, the alcohol that was not absorbed in the stomach next travels to the small intestine. One note here, if there's no food in the stomach, so an empty stomach, or if the alcohol is not consumed with any food, it gets to the small intestine very quickly. In the small intestine, the rest of the alcohol is absorbed into the bloodstream and travels to the liver. The liver is going to work on the alcohol molecules to break them down, making it possible to eliminate them from the body. So in the liver, an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase, which is also present in the lining of the stomach, which we will call ADH, oxidizes the alcohol or ethanol molecule. In basic terms, this means that the enzyme comes in and changes the chemical structure of ethanol. So ethanol becomes acetaldehyde. This substance is known to be toxic and carcinogenic, or in simpler terms, poisonous and cancer-causing. This acetaldehyde is then metabolized down to a substance called acetic acid, which is less harmful to the body. Acetic acid can then be broken down into carbon dioxide and water. When alcohol is present, the liver will work on metabolizing it first. So fatty acids can accumulate, which is why so many heavy drinkers develop fatty livers. If there's more alcohol than liver enzymes can handle, it gets circulated to all parts of the body. It's estimated that the liver can eliminate about half an ounce of alcohol per hour, which is about 1 beer, 1 glass of wine, or 1 shot. When alcohol reaches the heart, blood pressure decreases and blood vessels relax. The heart then pumps the alcohol-rich blood to the lungs. Some of the alcohol in the lungs is breathed out every time you exhale, causing your breath to smell of liquor. The lungs send the alcohol-containing blood back to the heart, where it's pumped to all parts of the body, including the brain. Once alcohol enters the brain, it slows down nerve cells that control your ability to move and think. So judgment becomes impaired and movement becomes disrupted. Alcohol also increases blood flow to the skin, which may make some fair-skinned people turn pink, and some people will begin to sweat, and most will smell like alcohol. Alcohol also decreases the body's production of antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone helps your kidneys manage the amount of water in your body. The decrease of this hormone causes the kidneys to not reabsorb water. Instead, it is excreted as urine, causing the body to become dehydrated. If alcohol consumption continues, it could lead to loss of consciousness. And massive alcohol consumption or binge drinking could lead to alcohol poisoning. This happens when there's a high concentration of alcohol in the bloodstream, and this could result in coma, respiratory depression, or possibly death. Now let's look at the after effects of alcohol overconsumption, the dreaded hangover. The exact causes of a hangover are not completely understood, but there are several factors that may contribute to it. The chemical acetaldehyde is formed from ethanol. It's believed that this chemical is what causes the headaches associated with hangovers. The increase in urination leading to dehydration, which could cause thirst, dry mouth, and dizziness. Some immune cells produce substances called cytokines, which can contribute to nausea and fatigue. Some alcoholic beverages increase the release of gastric acid in the stomach and delay the emptying of the contents of the stomach, which could be the reason for stomach pain associated with hangovers. Alcohol can also interfere with the liver's production of glucose, the main form of energy for cells, which could contribute to dizziness, disorientation, and lack of energy. The long-term effects of alcohol overconsumption include anemia, which is a low amount of oxygen-carrying red blood cells. It can lead to cell death in the liver cells and brain cells, leading to these organs not functioning properly. The risk of heart failure increases, as does the risk of stomach and intestinal problems, and many heavy drinkers have high blood pressure. Overconsumption of alcohol can also lead to relationship problems, depression, and employment problems. And these are just a few of the long-term problems associated with constant overconsumption of alcohol.
Disease, heart diseases, cancer, cardiovascular diseases, peptic ulcer, like this number of diseases, number of illness the individual can get via alcoholism. Okay, so we should control alcoholism as soon as. How to control? What things we can use to prevent the alcoholism? First one, not keep alcohol in your home, in your nearby places, like in your office, in your school, college, in your hostel, in your home. If you keep the alcohol, again the mind thought about alcohol only, again you may consume the alcohol. Okay, so don't keep the alcohol next to you. That way we can able to avoid the alcoholism from our life. Okay, next one, avoid the emotional drinking. Okay, for example, in India, number of people are drinking alcohol due to the emotional problems like stress, depression, sad, happy, for fun. Like this reason only people used to drink the alcohol. But in foreign country, people are drinking alcohol due to the climate reasons, due to the chill weather. That is the reason people drinking alcohol in foreign country. But in India, just for emotional reason, people used to drink. So every day, any emotions happen to the individual. So for every emotion, individual drinking alcohol. Okay, that things we should change. So don't drink alcohol because of emotional related things. Physical related things we can, if you drink, it will and good. Your physical also, your body also get some energy. But because of emotionally memorization, if you're drinking, again if you drink, it affect your it affect your health only. So don't drink alcohol due to the emotional things. Next one, avoid to visit the bar also, because when you go bar with your friends, like when group of friends going bar, you also going with your friends, means your friends definitely force you, definitely they'll cheat you, they will command you, they will tease you when you not drink. So because of the command, because of teasing things, individual take the alcohol. Okay, so don't visit, if you're not drinking, don't visit the bar. Or if you are drinking also, if you go bar, then you can buy number of things. The limit you can't able to stop, because number of alcohol available, you can order again, you can drink more. Okay, so don't visit the bar, at least buy or keep something and drink in other places. It also way we can able to avoid the come out from the alcoholism. But visiting bar again means you're not able to come out from the alcoholism from your life. And not developing the beer belly also. Okay, so kindly keep your physical things proper. Like you have to check your physical activity also, or physical fitness also. Like beer belly is developing means, then you should take actions, you should reduce your alcohol activities from your life. Okay, so that things, if you keep conscious about your health, it also help you to control the alcoholism. And encourage the healthy relationship also with the good friends who not drink. Like find some positive peer pressure, find some good friends, be with that type of friends. It also help you to come out from the alcoholism, because the bad friends sometimes influence of your alcoholism. So try to find out the good peers who not drink, be with that type of people, then also that also will help you to avoid the alcoholism in your life. And set a good example, be a role model for your family members, for your cousin, for your siblings, for your neighbors, all those things. So be a role model for your family. That mindset you can change. When you become a role model, automatically you control the smoking things and alcoholism things from your life. And encourage your teens also, or create awareness for your teens, for your relatives, for your cousins, for others also, about to come out from the alcohol. And you can be without alcohol. Like this, you have to show your life example to your family and your friends. It also a way we can able to avoid. And do not permit any party or unwanted party in your home, because when you permit the unwanted party in your home, then people used to bring the alcohol, then alcoholic party will happen. So you may drink alcohol again also. Okay, so don't permit the alcohol or any unwanted party in your home. It also way we can able to avoid the alcoholism from our life. Okay, so these are the preventive steps we can follow. It really help to control the alcoholism. Next is some tips also there, like recognition of the problem, awareness. When you aware about the problem, that way also we can help to control the alcohol things. Like we have to know about the impact of alcohol, how it work, how it going to damage your parts, what way it affect our heart, it affect our kidney, it affect our liver. Like this, we should understand the impact of alcohol. If you recognize the impact properly, then we can able to control the alcohol things from our life. And commit yourself. Like you have to commit yourself in number of places. Like mostly the IT people, drivers, students. So these people are learning alcohol because of they have the free time. Like Saturday, Sunday, they are holiday, weekend, and they travel from one place to other place. So they have to wait for 2 days for a next to load, next to pick up, like this. So when they are free, when there is no goal, there is no commitment, that time only the youngsters may learn the alcohol things. Weekend, Saturday, Sunday, holiday, or some other weekday they are free means, I automatically mind thought about alcohol only. So commit yourself in number of places, like go tuition, go some coaching center, do some project, write some research paper, do some kind of lab activities, or travel from some place like this, you have to commit yourself in number of places. So always busy yourself. That way we can able to avoid the alcoholism from your life. And set goals also. You stick your goals in your room. Always focus the goal. Always read the goals every day. Because when you read the goal, when you set your goals, you focus about the goals only. That also help you to come out from the alcohol habit, alcohol mindset, and do not keep your alcohol in your home, and do maintain the healthy diet things, and do start exercise again in your life, and do remember what are the problem happened during the alcohol consumption, like headache, body pain, or vomit, so and so things happen. You can remember the incidents. It really help you to come out to stop the alcoholism things. And also be thankful for your good friends, good family members, good supporters also. So when you remember people, that people also will help you to come out from the alcoholism. Okay, so like these tips available, you can follow these activities. With that, you can able to come out from the alcoholism from your life. Okay, so this is the alcoholism related things. Next one, smoking, ill effects of smoking. Okay, so even the smoking also, number of individual learn smoking via negative peer pressure. In school time, college time only, the bad friends only forcing or compel the individual, or because of the bad friends, the curiosity, get the interest to smoke. Like this way, they are turned to the smoking. Okay, and sometimes some celebrities also inspired, like some cinema hero also reason of addiction to the smoking. Okay, so like this, but comparatively, negative peer pressure is the main reason of smoking in our society. Okay, so smoking means it's a process. Okay, like inhaling of the smoke of burning tobacco by cigarettes, by cigarette, by pipe. Okay, so when you inhaling the smoke of burning tobacco and releasing, when you do this practice by cigarette, by pipe, by cigarettes, that process, that activity we can call it as the smoking. Okay, so any type of smoke, when you are inhaling and when you release, when you happen, that things we consider as the smoking. Okay, so initially smoking is the physical addiction only, because of stale, because of the climate reason, people used to do the smoking. In number of foreign country, foreigners used to smoke because of climate reasons. They feel very chill, they feel very cold, so they want to smoke to get the warmness. But in India, like in summer time, drinking tea and taking the cigarette also, so both warm things, heat things, past your health and releasing again, so it happened. So you can imagine how the parts of your body get affect because of your warmness. In summer time, drinking tea, taking smoke means what warm the liver, heart feel. You can imagine how it going to function properly because of your activity. Okay, so initially the smoking people used to do because of physical addiction, and later it became a psychological addiction also, because in cigarette they mix some chemicals. The chemicals made you addiction to the smoke. Okay, like nicotine, some other type of chemicals they add or prepare a cigarette, so that chemical, that nicotine, make you addict to the smoke, like the type of smell or the taste, some other things they add in the cigarette. Okay, it make you addict to the smoking thing. So again people used to smoke because of the psychological addiction. Okay, so this is the things, like these are the contents. Well, make a cigarette, they add number of harmful contents, almost 5,000 to 7,000 chemicals they're adding while prepare a one cigarette. So you can imagine this, I'm listing only few chemicals or few contents only, but other than this, number of chemicals they're adding will prepare a cigarette. Because of the type of chemicals only make the individual addiction to the smoking things, addiction to the particular smoking practices, because the taste, because of smell, because of the kind of energy, because of sometimes they feel fresh, so things happen because of the drugs, the chemicals add in the cigarette. Okay, so number of contents they add will make a cigarette. These are the contents they're adding, like tar, nicotine, methanol, and ethanol, aluminium, ammonia, carbon monoxide, chloroform, carbon dioxide. Like this, number of harmful contents that add will prepare a cigarette. So when you inhaling this all harmful content smoke and releasing, it definitely affects your parts. Okay, by oral only, by mouth only, people are inhaling the smoke. Okay, so it pass through your throat and go to your liver place. It near your heart also, again the things are released. So the practice happen. So your throat, your oral, your heart, your liver, this part get the full of smoke only. So the kind of tar also they mix. So tar color, you know, the dark color, dark black, it may form somewhere. It may create the obstacles also. It will clot somewhere. It will make you breathing problems also. Okay, so that is the reason the heart problems, asthma, breathing problems happen to the smokers, because it may clot, it may store someplace, it may develop slowly, it will affect your breathing, it affect your function of your heart, function of your liver, function of your blood also. Number of things it affect because of the smoking. Okay, so compared to the alcoholism and smoking, smoking is very dangerous because the impact is more. Okay, because number of parts get damaged because of smoking, because of warmness, the heat you are pass to your health, the smoke, the dark, the kind of chemicals you pass to your health, easily it go near your heart, and immediately it creates number of problems also, like headache, tension, high blood pressure, heart diseases, lung cancer, cancer in the oral, cancer in the tongue, and impaired hearing, even sometimes decreased sexual activity also, and mental depression. Like this, number of problems, number of effects individual facing due to the smoking. Okay, even the hair fall things also happen, your eyes, it affect your brain. So stroke things happen, blindness, vision problem also happen, gum infections, oral infections, even the teeth color also change, it's like black. People can easily identify from your teeth about you are smoking or not. From your mouth, they can identify whether you're smoking or not, because the smoke will affect your teeth. It affect your lips also. Okay, so gum infections, and also the neck and pain also you can get, and lungs, heart, like this number of kidney, like this number of places get affect due to the smoking. Okay, smoking is very dangerous. Then the alcohol also dangerous, but alcohol impact you can realize after 10 years, but smoking impact you can realize within 5 years also. You can able to realize the impact of alcohol. Okay, but number of teenage people doing smoking because of they think I feel fit, I don't have any disease, I'm fit only, like this people are thinking. But the impact of smoking, impact of alcohol, you can realize after the some years only, like after 5 years, after 10 years only, you can able to feel about the impact of alcohol, impact of smoking. Okay, mostly in your latter part, in your future, when after marriage, when you have family members, when you have the husband, wife, or children and parents, when you have to work, when you have to take care of your family, that time only the impact you can realize. Like, okay, so like this number of impact or effects individual get due to the smoking and due to the alcoholism. Okay, and we have some questions also, like question based topic also available, like the if the smoke risk factor for autoimmune diseases. Yes, the smoking risk for immuno power also, immunosystem also. Okay, recently in COVID time, doctors recommended that don't smoke, because of smoking the immuno things also, because the heat, the warm things, the heat smoke you pass to your health, so it kill the immuno cells. So when you kill the immuno power, then you can get number of diseases. Okay, so because the heat, you understand how much heat you are passing, you are sending to your health, it kills the cell, immuno cells get affected, so you get a number of disease. So smoking is risk factor for autoimmune diseases, so don't smoke, then you get number of diseases. And smoke will affect your bones also, because the inhaling the smoke of burning tobacco, it go to your health. So it mix with your blood, mix your nerves, mix your bones also. So when the bones get the smoke, when the blood get the smoking things, then automatically the part get weak. Okay, so when you consume, when you take more alcohol or more smoke, it affect your bones also. Like you feel weak, you can get the fracture easily, you can't able to lift the product also, you feel tired. Okay, so and so things happen because of smoking, so it weak your bones. Okay, so kindly consider, kindly keep this in your mind. Next one, the smoking things affect your heart as well as the blood vessels also. Heart will do the pumping activity, like pumping the blood. Okay, but when you inhaling the smoke of the burning tobacco, it go near your chest, near your heart place. So it stop the pumping work. So your function of your body get affect, function of your heart get affect, function of your heart get some slow activities also. Okay, so heart related problems will come as well as the blood vessels. After pumping, how blood circulate throughout your body, that function also get stopped, that function also get some a little bit problem while smoking. Okay, this is also important one, so kindly keep in mind. Next one, it affect your lungs problem as well as the breathing problems also. So because as I told you, when you inhaling the smoke of burning tobacco, it will store some time, it will clot some place, it will develop slowly. So it will create the breathing problems. You're not able to get the energy or breathing things easily because some clot, some function of your blood circulation or pumping activity, somewhere some clot things may happen. So it affect your breathing, it affect your function of your lungs also. So that type of problems also happen. Number of YouTube videos also there. Like in YouTube video, you can watch how the things come out from your lungs, how the tube get black, how the tube get stuck while smoking. So and so like videos also available. You can watch the video. So in this way, same things happen in your lungs, same things happen in your breathing activities also. So that problems also happen due to the smoking. And next one, it affect your vision, it affect your eyesight also because the oral and the brain and the eyes both are very near place only. So when you smoke, it immediately reach your brain, immediately reach your eye place also. Even the nerves also get affected. So when you smoke continuously, your eye problem will come. Even the darkness of your eye will get small. Okay, that also video also available in the upload video. Okay, so your vision problems also may get due to the smoking. And cigarette can cancer for number of cancer, like number of cancer develop to the individual due to the cigarette smoking only. Like it clot, it store, it develops slowly. So like this way, number of parts like oral cancer, even some clot, liver cancer, kidney problems, like this number of cancer problem individual face due to the cigarette smoking. Okay, so tobacco smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals. So about 70 of them are causes of cancer. So when you inhaling the smoke of the burning tobacco, that much of harmful things pass to your body. So it create the cancer also. Okay, so kindly aware about the impact of cigarette smoking. And sometimes some individual tells that light cigarette is good for health, or a menthol cigarette is good for health, or the pipe cigarette is good for health. Like this way they are telling, but it's not true. Like light cigarette, menthol cigarette, pipe cigarette, cigarette, filter cigarette, whatever cigarette smoking you are doing, all type of cigarette smoking, all type of smoking will affect your body. Okay, because the smoke only, every cigarette they mix with the harmful contents like tar, nicotine, ammonia, methane, methanol, ethanol, aluminum, like this number of harmful things they make while prepare a cigarette. So even with light cigarette, filter cigarette, menthol cigarette, pipe cigarette, whatever cigarette you are smoke, it definitely affect your parts. Okay, like lung cancer, mouth cancer, throat cancer, lip cancer, like this number of impact, number of health problems you may feel due to the smoking, like you're not able to breathe also. Smokers mostly not able to do the work more time, like within 5 minutes they feel sweating, they feel breathing problem, they're not able to run, they're not able to walk long distance, they can able to carry their weight also, like this physical weakness also they may get easily immediately due to the smoking practices. Okay, so we should take care the smoking things. Smoking is very dangerous in our life. Okay, so we should avoid the negative friends, then only we can able to avoid the smoking things also from our life. Okay, so how to avoid, what we can do, some preventive steps to avoid the smoking like and alcoholism also. First one, stick your plan. Okay, so commit yourself, do some activity, focus about that, and do the activity, focus the activity, it help you to come out from the addiction. Okay, so stick your plan, I have to do so and so. If you are free, if you are waste your time, then only people addicted think about the alcohol. So don't waste your time, always busy yourself, stick your plan accordingly and do activities properly. It help you to quit your alcoholism and smoking, and get support also. If you share your problem to your best friends, your positive friends or family members really help you to come out from the addiction habits. They really suggest you, they really remind you, they really guide you properly how to come out from the addiction. And they may identify number of NGO also. We have number of NGOs also available. You can help the people. They by telephone they can give the counseling to come out from the addiction. Okay, so that type of people you can get the support, get the help from this type of people. It will help you to come out from the addiction of smoking and alcoholism also. And stay positive, like be with the positive friends, be with the good friends. It also help you, because when you have big good friends always stop your activity. They always tell you not to do, don't do this, don't do like this. They will give number of conditions, so that way you can able to avoid your bad habits also. Okay, so stay with good friends, be positive and stay positive. That also will help you to control the bad habits, particularly smoking and alcoholism. Also stay busy, like commit yourself, so make you busy. Okay, so if you are relaxed, if you are holiday, if you are like waste of time, that time only the individual may think about alcoholism and smoking. Okay, so don't waste your time, you stay always busy, like do some exercise, go for walking or jogging early morning, or do some chewing gum activities when you feel bored, or keep your hands busy, do some game, or make some software, like this, do something, give always work for yourself, and drink a lot of water, relax yourself with breathing, do some yoga, meditation you can do, go to a movie or watch something with your friends, and spend time with your good friends, those who not smoke, those who not drink, like this people you find and be with that type of friends. That also help you to come out from the addiction of smoking and alcoholism. The last one, avoid of smoking triggers. Okay, so somewhere the triggers also happen, so kindly avoid the trigger part or trigger places also. For example, when you keep the cigarette, when you keep the alcohol with you, then again the mind thought about alcohol, again the mind thought about the smoking only. So throw the such a things from your nearby area, in your room, in your hostel room, in your own in your house also. Don't keep that type of things next to you. Throw the cigarette, throw your lighters, throw your bottle, throw your glasses, anything, whatever you keep next to you, that related items, you keep everything, throw everything. You feel free. Then sometimes you're not able to get the mind, you're not able to think about the alcohol and smoking things. And next one, avoid the coffee area or tea shop also, because when you go with your friends in tea shop or coffee shop, in tea shop, coffee shop only people used to drink, people used to take the smoking things, because it available in the tea shop, so people used to buy and do the smoking things. So don't visit the tea shop, don't go with your friends to the tea shop, to the coffee area. That also way we can able to avoid. And spend time with your non-smokers, like I told you, identify the best friends, best positive friends, be with them. It also help you to come on, to control the smoking things. And go to the places where the smoke is not allowed. That type of places you find out, go there, be there, then automatically you get the restrictions not to smoke, not to do anything. So it help you to control the smoking activities in your life, and get plenty of rest, other healthy activities also there. Focus that, do that, it help you as well as change your routine activity and do some other activity also, which is not related to the smoking, which is not related to the alcoholism. Like these things you arrange, be with that type of places, it also help you to control the smoking things. Okay, like these practices when you do in your life, it really help you to control the smoking and alcoholism from your day-to-day life. Okay, so in conclusion, so I want to say it is easy to learn, easy to use the smoking, use the smoking or alcoholism things also, because if you go with some friends, anybody they can teach you, you also can learn easily. But quitting, stop the smoking, stop the alcoholism, it's not easy like learning. Okay, so we need some time, we need some practice, we need some counseling, we need some medicine, then only we can be able to come out from the addiction of alcoholism and smoking. Okay, so don't learn, if you're not started, then don't start, then only you can able to feel happy in your entire life also. So if you are started, if you are the smoker, if you are the alcoholism addiction means, and make some promise, follow the preventive steps, be with the good people, they help you to come out from the addiction. Like in our VIT also, we have counselors, we can get help from the counselors. Counselors will help you how to control the thought of addiction. They will give number of exercise, they give number of activity to you. When you do the activity, when you do the assignments of the exercise things properly, it help you to come out from the addiction things. So they will really help you to stop your addiction things. In VIT, we have strict rules against the alcoholism and smoking, even drugs also. Okay, so like immediately suspension for 1 semester, that is the punishment for smoking and alcoholism. Even whatever position you are the final year, you are already selected, you are in the final semester, you about to submit your report, you are having the dream offer, super dream offer, you are a so and so family, you are so and so relation, whatever things, VIT never considers anything. If they identified, if they proven, means immediately suspension from the date of 1 semester. Okay, it's very, very serious. There is no relaxation for the smoking, alcoholism and drugs. Drugs is a very serious one. Immediately, like I think a dismiss or 1 year, I don't know, but they have severe punishment for the drugs also. Okay, compared to smoking, alcoholism, we have severe punishment for drugs. Okay, so this type of culture also will help you to control your bad habits. So like this, we have to identify that type of practices in your life. It really help you to come out from the smoking and alcoholism. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, for example, chain smoker and occasional smoker are addiction to the alcohol and alcoholism, alcoholic, it's not a big difference. Within the some 1 day or within some issue, like after the failure, after the loss, after the issue, you became addiction, you became chain smoker. Anything happened just like suddenly. Okay, so we have to control our mind. We should not to do anything. Mostly we not help, we not spend time with our bad friends. If you are be with your negative friends only tell you to learn so and so things. By them only people also learning the bad habits. Okay, so identification of the friends, how to select your best friends, how to select your positive friends, that is very, very important one in our life. Mostly when you are going to enter in our VIT, so this time we should identify the good friends in your life, then only we can able to stop these practices. Okay, for example, now number of celebrities are telling that smoking or alcoholism is bad, because of smoking alcoholism only we are facing so and so problem. Like this, the later age only number of celebrities used to accept, they guiding, they tell their fans also not to smoke, not to alcohol. So the impact you can realize in later part only, like after the 40-50 years only, the impact you can feel. That time you have family members, you have to help for your family members. That time if you have a health issue, it's a very serious one. So kindly keep these things in your mind and select your best friends, select your good friends, then only you can able to avoid this type of bad habits. Or if you anybody have this type of habits, you want to come out from that, means after reach VIT, kindly contact the counselors. They will help you, they really help you to come out from the addiction of smoking, alcoholism and drugs also. Okay, this is the things I want to tell you. Thank you.